Hello and welcome to today's video. This video is about using Teams, Microsoft Teams. So we're going to see how we can use Teams to have a class on the internet. So the first thing we do is we go to the internet. You can go on your phone or on a computer. You can do this on a phone or computer. So the internet is Chrome or it's Google. You could just go to Google. And you look for office.com. So this is office, office.com. And click, and there's Office. So we want to sign in. To sign in, you put in your email address. So my email address is, I'm going to put it in now. So your email address will be 20fe dot and then your name at msletb.ie. That's the email address for all English students. 20fe dot your name at msletb.ie. We click sign in. And you have to put in your password. So this is your new password that you have made. So I'm putting in my password here. And sign in. So this is Office. So in Office, we can do a lot of things. We can look at our email in Outlook. So it's all on the left here. Everything we can do is on the left. We can use Word to write documents and we can also use, we have email. So Outlook here is your email. So let's look at the email very quickly. This is the email, and this is a welcome email here. So we can also, if we go back, we can also look at Teams. So Teams is on the left here. Go back. Teams is here. So we click on Teams. And it's a little slow. So you will have a message when you go into Teams. And you have two possibilities. You can get the app, the Windows app. So this is a Teams app. You can get the app, so the application for your computer or for your phone. Or you can take the second one, number 2. Use the web app instead. Now, we're just going to do this first. So we click on this and just say yes, okay. And now you're in Teams. This is the team that you're in. So when the class starts, the class will be on Teams. You will get a message saying join the class. And you can just click on the message and you will be in the class, on the online class with video and sound. You can join from here or from here. The second way of getting into Teams is to get the app. So the app is, you go to the Microsoft Store or the App Store or the Play Store. All of these places you can get apps. Now apps are Spotify, Netflix, Prime Video, Word, YouTube. They're all apps. And we can put in here Microsoft Teams. And you get... So you see this, you click on Learn More, and you download the app. So when you download the app, you will see something like this, Microsoft Teams, and you have to put in your email address. So again, I put in my email address, the same one, 20fe. And we sign in. Takes a little bit of time. And I have to put in my same password again. Same password all the time. And You don't need to just say that, and OK. And now I'm in Teams on the app. And there is my team. So I click on this, Level 2 English. And again, if I want to get into the class, I just click on here when the class starts. Click. So this is Microsoft Teams. Two ways of getting on. We can go on the internet through Office 365. You need your email and your password. Or we can use the app. You also need your email and the password, and the app is there. And that's our video for today. There is the Teams again. So there's two ways of getting in. Thank you for watching.